What's wrong with your shoe?
Why would you?
Man, how come you get
Who did this to you?
Yeah.
And why are you using money?
To fix something, you always need the money.
You always need money.
Yes.
Wow. So it's deep. It's deep and poetic, and it's about the injustice of the world. Thank you, 5 Minute Crafts.
Yeah, thank you very much. Now we know
Now we know.
that you are very deep.
Get all of your. Yeah, not really. I think, you know what? I think 5 Minute Crafts is very deep. I think it's advanced humor.
Yes.
I think people just don't understand because you look at 5 Minute Crafts and you're like, oh, this is dumb. Why would they do this?
Maybe it was an idea.
Maybe it was the idea. Maybe it was the idea. Maybe we're the ones who aren't
Which?
good idea people.
No.
Not us! No way!
Now my brain is broken.
Okay, so we're taking off the branding because very nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Because
We're gonna make better branding.
Yes, but no. They want to make them all.
Yeah.
And epoxy resin, of course. What else they can?
Yeah, the
Yeah.
other thing that they could do at this moment, feet. They could probably do feet.
Yeah.
If they threw some feet in here,
So.
your fan base would be happy.
And most probably they will do.
Ah, that's kind of nice.
That's.
If it would stick properly.
That's.
Ooh.
That's
Oh.
action I really like, but why they did?
Why does it look like crap?
Yeah.
Okay, that was a fail. That was a fail. Come on. Okay.
What do you
let's-
think about it?
I think that you might as well just chop off the pinky toe. That's it.
Yeah.
Ah, this one's kind of cool for reshaping if it's too small.
Yes, maybe it's not because of too small. It's because of the shape was,
Yeah, uncomfortable.
not uncomfortable. It was like chewed
Ah, okay. To make it new.
to make it. Yeah.
That looks
Kinda.
like you're gonna cut off circulation.
Yeah. You're right.
Oh no, my shoe keeps falling off because I keep putting it on really bad.
Tape, just to
Yeah, tape your foot
stick it in.
So bad.
But at least you can put on the. Holy moly! Why?
Okay. Shaving down some shoes.
Okay. Of course, better to destroy than fix, right?
Exactly. Why do you need to fix anything?
Yeah.
But okay, so a high heel without the highness, the heelness,
Heelness is not.
is just a shoe, an
a-
uncomfortable shoe.
low heel.
Yes, I know, but it's still like made so that there's gonna be a heel there. Oh,
you
oh.
think so? What?
What the heck is that? Oh my gosh.
That's ugly as
I
hell, but
kind of like it.
but it's
It's pretty cool.
actually cool.
It's like a minotaur.
ugly
Wow.
but cool.
You could wear that. Oh, you could wear that to like they have medieval festivals and like role-playing festivals where you can go and pretend to be like an elf or something like that.
Okay,
That
for
would
cosplaying.
be fun. Yes, cosplaying and like Renaissance fairs. That would be fun.
Actually, if it's for cosplaying, it's nice.
Yeah.
Wow, but how they did it?
It's unexpected.
Yeah, unexpected though.
What are we making now? It looked like she did a mold of her leg as well. So are we gonna get like a full miniature sort of leg set?
I think so. It will be like, I don't know.
It reminds me of like video game armor. Like you unlocked minotaur leg armor. It's cool.
Okay. Oh,
Oh.
easy to
Oh.
touch them.
Interesting.
Wow.
Let's see how these look when they're completed.
I like how they use these bracelets for. Whoa.
That's pretty cool.
That's nice.
All right.
You know.
This is reminding me of a
bottom
dream
dog.
I had last night for some reason. This is really weird.
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
What?
I had a weird dream last night.
Oh.
I think I watched too much 5 Minute Crafts, honestly. Okay.
Wait a minute. She just stepped on the what? On the cake.
Okay.
To,
Why are we doing this? Why are we doing this?
because we can. They can.
They have too much power. 5 Minute Crafts has way too much power. They can do whatever they want. They realized it. Oh my gosh. This is like when you find out humans actually have free will. Oh my gosh.
Wow, it looks uncomfortable at least.
This is why in the Matrix and stuff like that, the like dystopian movies are always trying to take away your free will, you know? It's because when we have free will, this is what we do. We make really bad shoes. I'm not saying
Oh,
I
get
agree
it.
with
No, I
it,
get it.
but I'm just saying I understand where they're coming from. Okay.
Oh, it looks like a chewing gum. I mean, the
Yeah.
color.
I would put that in my mouth for sure.
Yeah. Even me.
Yeah?
Sorry.
Wow.
But,
Okay.
Uh,
This is really weird so
wait
far.
a second. Is it gonna be a shoe?
It's a flower shoe.
Oh, damn.
It's a flu. And there's nothing we can do about it.
That's true. That's true. We just can comment about it. We can just be upset about it. But
You can do the same
nothing
thing.
more. Yeah.
You guys, I've seen it.
We
know. We know.
So what's
Okay. UV resin. Okay.
Foil. Okay.
This reminded me of that Smosh bit where they're like they can't stop saying the same things no matter how hard they try. They keep saying the same thing. So I was just trying to do it. Okay.
Of course, you need to sign up.
Sign up.
So
So
P plus.
Ooh.
So $7.
Okay, never mind. I'm gonna stop playing this game. All right, that looks pretty bad. That is pretty bad. It's like Hawaiian meets like TikTok girl, you know?
Yeah, I wanna say something.
What?
I kind of like it.
You kind of like it?
Yes.
Really?
I mean,
Look at the bottoms. Don't.
okay, yeah, but still, it could be a little bit better, the front part.
I don't know if I met a girl in that.
But
I'd be
the
like,
flowers and everything, the only thing which I'm worried about is metal things there.
yeah, that would be uncomfortable on your legs for sure. Did she just float?
So wait a second.
Oh, okay. This looks good. Okay, she's not getting any. Oh, we got feet. We got toes. That's a weird. Not to offend, but that's interesting foot shape. It's cool.
But it's fine, no?
It's completely
What's wrong?
fine. You can have whatever foot shape you want to have, or
Exactly.
Don't wanna
That's what I want to say.
yes. I like.
That's one. So some super glue.
Why would they get rid of the foot shape?
I don't know. I mean, they made it just to
Just
cut
to make
it.
the around it. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, it's a flip flop.
With staples, huh? That's good. That's gonna stay.
Yeah, this far. It will be forever.
Staples stay forever. Everyone knows that. Glitter. Okay, this is just really weird now. Why?
Really, Dallas. Why are they doing this? This is very, very, very weird. And this is now an ASMR video. What's wrong with the feet? I don't know. They look like they're from another planet. Yes, and they cover it. I mean, the flip flops.
All right. So we have paint. We have we're making a wooden clog now,
Yeah.
or like a wooden heel maybe.
Sorry for previous conversation.
Yeah,
which
sorry
you
about
couldn't hear.
You probably couldn't hear. I think they could. We'll see. You'll see. Let us know if you heard what we said. Okay.
What?
We're both acting like we know what the hell is going on.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Why? No, really, why? I mean,
I want to see him walk in it.
I would.
Yeah, same.
Yeah. It's actually nice.
All right.
Okay, what now? Is
Stamping on some leaves.
Mm-hmm. Oh, another shoe.
Another shoe. We're making a new shoe. Is it going to be another mythical shoe?
We'll see in a moment.
I hope it's a mythical shoe. I want it to be.
I hope so.
What other like mythical animals are there with cool feet? Like a dragon, like a dragon shoe.
Dragon? What kind of feet?
It would have like lizard feet or like claws.
Yeah.
That'd be fun. Okay.
Ooh. Wow. It's actually nice that it made out of metal.
Yeah,
I
it looks
like
looks like a harp or like a do you call it? What, those things that you hit them and they make different noises, like different. It's like an instrument.
No, it's like.
It's okay. Anyway, it's an instrument. Oh, what?
It's a grass. Like fake grass.
Fake grass. All right, interesting. What is the metal for?
What is the shape?
It's a bird,
Bird.
which we all know doesn't actually. Birds don't exist in real life.
So now I'm confused. I think it's not a shoe. It's some kind of
Bird cage.
Bird cage, yeah, some fake bird cage.
But I feel like it's also gonna be a shoe.
If it would be installation inside your high heels, right?
Yes, it's a bird cage shoe, perhaps.
Maybe we'll see in the moment.
A boo.
Ooh, that would be sick.
Yeah. So we got some flower decals going on.
5-minute crafts.
5-minute
Let's go
crafts. Got the imagination in spades. In spades!
down. Oh.
Wow.
Is it heavy? I think so.
I think it would. No, I don't know actually. It probably wouldn't be that heavy.
But that looks sick.
It does look pretty cool.
Wow.
I'd be worried about the things breaking and then the small pipes going through your feet, but you know, apart from that.
Wow, now I'm kind of scared for this, but
Yeah.
I hope they made some protection, another layer
Another
of
layer of
metal
metal over it, yeah.
So, hopefully, finger crossed.
Looks good though.
Well, nice.
Not too shabby. It's also a little bent on the back.